do with your emails, invoices, estimates, simply you just go here, go to settings, and this thing will appear. Now let's go to sending emails, and here you can see that the sender is myself. So this is the person who created the account of Freeagent. That's the sender email, and I can also add a custom email domain if I want. And now let's go to email templates. So we can have email templates as well. So I can create a new template. It makes life easy. Click new invoice, and if I have to send an invoice to a client, I can simply use this template. I can say from my account, and I can also send a copy to myself. Tick this box, and you will have a copy of email that you send it. And this is my client, for example, Robinhood, and I just made up, and this is the invoice I'm sending, right? And I can attach the files. I can attach the file and select file of the invoice. So this will be the invoice I have saved and uploaded, right? So it will attach the invoice, and I can just say, hi Robin, and please find the latest invoice attached, many thanks, and my business, whatever I want to say, and save new invoice template. I can also have invoice reminders. So these are reminders that are sent to my clients. So I've already created it, but you can say add invoice reminder, right? I've already created, so I'll tell you. I just said that send first reminder 30 days before invoice due date. You can say 23 days before invoice due date or after invoice due date, whatever you want to send the reminders, right? Reminders to pay back, so that clients can pay back. So reminders will be sent, and it is sent from your email. You can also tick this box and say that you will also have the copy what you sent, and that's to whoever you're emailing. Your client email will come here, and you can also add multiple addresses. Just type in comma, and add other emails and stuff, and then this could be subject to be reminder for invoice that you have to pay, and the reference could be your invoice. Attach the invoice that you want the client to pay, select the file, choose it, and then upload it, right? And then right here, hi Robin, or whatever your client is. This is an automated reminder to let you know your invoice is now overdue, and save the template. Now next I'll go to invoice thank you. This is sent to clients after you receive the payment. So just type in your email, and you just email a copy to sender, so that you also have a copy of this email. And then two is the client you're sending to, and subject could be thanks for the payment of invoice, okay? And invoice number, whatever, and then you can just write a template, save it, and stuff like that. And then there's a template for new estimate. Now this is the same template like other ones. You can just create another template for this one as well and save it. So it will make your life quite easy, hopefully. Now let's go to theme gallery, and I just want to show you that how would you check the template. For example, you want to check the template theme, how it should appear like when you print it, when you email it. So if I just say, you can create it from start, okay, you can create it from start, but I think it will take a lot of time or whatever. So I'll use the thing, I'll use this, you can use this template. So whatever you will write in the template to create an invoice, whatever information you type in, it will appear like this. So the preview will be like this, right? And it is suitable for letterhead and window envelope. It is not suited for window envelope, just for letterhead paper. So you can have this template, it will appear like this for clients. You can use this one, so you can choose which one you want. It is suitable for window envelope, so it tells you here, right? And so whatever you want, you can choose it however you want. You can just select it, simply select it. I can say use this theme or use this theme, whatever you want. You can select the theme, how you want the invoices to appear, and that's fine. And let me go back to the settings. Okay, I will cover this in another tutorial.